We want to thank you for selecting Oxitone 1000, the world's first FDA-cleared wrist pulse oximetry monitor. This film provides you with step-by-step instructions for the proper use of the monitor. The Oxitone package is closed with a magnetic lock and includes a monitor, user manual, and charger. On the first use, you must fully charge the monitor's battery for at least 2 hours as follows. Plug the DC power 5-volt cable into the USB charger socket. Make sure it's securely plugged in. Plug the DC power module into an AC power source. Attach the wrist-worn monitor unit to the charger by sliding the monitor into the charger opening until you feel a characteristic magnetic attraction and hear a secure click of the electrical contact. Verify a flashing green battery appears on the display, indicating an active charging process. When charging is done, a solid green battery appears on the display. If charging has failed, clean the pins on the bottom of the device using a swab stick dipped with alcohol. In order to obtain accurate measurements, it's important to wear the monitor on a precise location on your left wrist. This is the wrist ulna bone, and this is the monitor optical elastic enclosure. The optical elastic enclosure shall be placed on top of the ulna bone on your left wrist. Make sure the power on switch is facing up. Now, secure the oximeter device to your wrist by adjusting the straps so they are secure and comfortable. Avoid excessive pressure on the monitor enclosure as a result of fastening the straps too tightly. After securing the straps, make sure that the optical elastic enclosure remains exactly on top of the ulna bone. Slide it if necessary and re-secure the straps. To start the system, press and hold the Power On button on front of the device until the OLED screen turns on. After releasing the button, the Oxitone logo will appear. The measurement and progress screen will be displayed for a few seconds, during which the user must stay still to obtain a first measurement. After a brief pause while the system is gathering information, the monitor screen will display the measurement results. Please note that after 30 seconds, the screen display will turn off automatically. To switch the display on, briefly press the Power On button. The monitor gathers information automatically only when the wrist is stable. When in motion, the display is switched to a grayed out, non-measurement mode, waiting for stable conditions in order to resume testing. The monitor is switched to testing mode automatically whenever the wrist is stable. If the wrist is stable but the results are still grayed out, it means that the system is not monitoring. In this case, check the placement of the monitor again, making sure the optical enclosure covers the ulna bone and that the straps are properly tightened. For example, not too loose or not too tight. Should there be a need to turn off the monitor, this can be done by pressing and holding the Power On switch for a few seconds.